Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I think any time of the year we do some organizing and cleaning, particularly in the spring. So being able to have everything organized in some nice sturdy totes makes a huge difference. This one from Superio does not disappoint. It is made of a nice durable plastic and it has grid on the bottom so that it does not slip. I really like this 10.5 quart size because it's perfect for storing a variety of things. You can stuff quite a bit into it, but it's not so bulky that it won't fit anywhere. The bin snaps very securely into place thanks to the plastic handles on the sides, and then it makes for easy carrying thanks to the outer part right here that has a nice little handle so that you can carry it around. These would be great for stacking as well, thanks to their great square size and also the flat top, and everything would stack nicely one into the other. I really am happy with the quality of this and being able to get some extra storage out of it. You could use this for a variety of things in the kitchen or just for organizing some different clothing items. Whatever you need this for, you're going to be able to have everything stored nice and securely in this bin. And that's just my point of view.